I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Mautic. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, go to Mautic dashboard. Click gear icon in the top right side corner, then click API credentials. Now click New button. Select OAuth 2 in Authorization Protocol. Here, give a meaningful API name as you want. Now navigate the integration page and copy the redirect URI. Paste it here. Now click the Save. API has been created successfully. Copy the client ID. Paste it here. Copy the client secret. Paste it here. Now paste the domain name, which is Mautic URL. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now map the field. You can add a tag to the contact by enabling this action. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mautic. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate Mautic page and click the contact. Here is the data that came into Mautic through the integration. Thanks for watching.